We have this rechargeable table lamp today. It is dirty and not working. Also, the switch is jammed. See, where is the charger port? It will connect directly to the main. At first, we are going to clean this. Then we will see what we can do. It looks like new. Now we will open the backside and examine the battery and charging system. The screws are jammed. So we need some WD-40. This one looks good and yes, it removes very easily. This one, no. This one, no. This one, yes, can remove this one too. But these two screws not cooperating with us. So we need some different bit. Now we will use this black side, flat 2.5. We need some strong hand. I need strong pressure. No, I don't find any grip. So I need smaller bit. Maybe this one. Maybe it will work. Let's see. No, it's not working. This screw is totally damaged with corrosion. So it's a challenge to open this thing. Oh, still. Yes, finally. But we have to change this screw. Okay, finally we can open this thing. I think there is also some screw. There is one. Maybe this one it will open. Yes, that's good. But the problem is the system runs with a lead acid battery and I don't have any replacement. Let's disconnect the LED connection from the circuit. Then see the battery voltage DC 0.4 volt. It's not good, but at least it has some voltage. Maybe the battery is good. Who knows? The system has some water damage. We should clean it fast. This battery is 2 cell. 2 cell means per cell 2 volt and 2 cell 4 volt. So this LED will glow with 4 volt. This let's connect it. My pen's power supply 2.8 volt, 3.8 volt. Still not glowing. The problem. This is the problem. So you have to open and connect this battery with my bench power supply and see can it draw anything. 4 volt draws nothing. First we need to make sure that our LED is good, or if it's not good then we will not work with this thing. Now open this acrylic cover and the reflector. Here is our LED. So multimeter in continuity mode, plus to plus, black to black. The wire is connected, but still the light is not glowing. What's the problem? Maybe the light is bad, or maybe the light is not 4 volt. Maybe here is some voltage booster. I don't know. Let's check it with diode mode. Let's check single diode ohms mode. 1 mega ohms. I don't know if good or bad. Let's inject 4 volt to this board and turn it on till nothing. Try to measure voltage here. 4 volt. Turn off. No volt. Turn on. 4 volt. Okay, so there is no voltage converter thing. Let's open this board. From this side it looks everything nice and clean. We only need to spray some liquid in this switch. The corrosion is only this side, so we have to clean this part only. I don't know why, but all of these LEDs are gone. They are faulty. They not work. So now I'm going to desolder every LED from the board, and I will buy some SMD LED and try to give this board a new light. This light has a lot of problem. At first we saw that water damage, then the LEDs are bad. After that we saw you connect it with a 18650 cell, and these LEDs are good, and you can see it works. But the problem here is some touch switch for control this LED brightness. They are not working, and I don't know what is the actual condition of his charging system. Is it okay or not? And I don't want to test it anyway. And I think why every LED is failed, why all of them. Maybe the board is failed. It supply over voltage to this LED, so all of them are gone at a time, or it is a thunder issue. I don't know, but whatever it is, I don't want to use this board for this light again. I will buy some new SMD LED and solder them in this board, and I will use 18650 cell, and I will use maybe the original battery if it fully charged, or a 18650, and I'll keep this lamp very simple. It will have a charging module, a battery, switch, and the LED. Nothing fancy. Touch sensor. Thank you for today. If you want to see the next part of this video, please subscribe and press the bell button. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching.